Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to assign money to the future in YNAB. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically, you know when your salary is coming in, what you want to do is go to the bottom on the transactions, click on inflow, and let's say your salary is $1,000. Now you can always choose a category you want to allocate it to. So you have a category like salary. You can click on that. So let's say this is my inflow category, this is like my salary, and then you want to go to date. Now, when is it coming? So let's say October 1st. And if you want, you can always have it repeat, never daily, weekly, every other month, twice a month, for next month, etc, etc. Then just click on save. And when the time comes, under your accounts, you will have the money here. And if you go to all transactions at the top under accounts, you can see payday needed. It's going to come October 1st, so it's scheduled. And once it comes, you can click on this like to enter. You can enter it now, or it's just going to automatically be added in the future. So you don't have to worry about that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.